in a triangle ABC, angle BCA is 50 degrees. So let's try and draw a triangle where I'm going to put a BCA to be equals to 50 degree. Okay. So let's say if I'm saying A over here, B over here, and C over here, BCA is turning out to be 50 degree. This angle is turning out to be 50 degree given to you. D and E are the points on AB and AC respectively. D is a point on AB. So D is a point, suppose somewhere over here, and E is a point on AC. E is a point on AC, suppose over here. So this is D and this is E that you are looking at, such that AD is equals to DE. So if you join DE, you are realizing that this is turning out to be equals to this. If F is a point on BC, so suppose I take the value F over here, or the point F over here is on BC, such that BD is equals to DF. So now if you join DF, you are saying BD is turning out to be equals to DF over here. Angle FDE in degrees is equals to what? So this is the angle that I'm supposed to calculate. Now let me call this angle as the angle B, and let me call this angle as angle A over here. One thing that I very clearly understand from the sum of interior angles of a triangle, which is 180, A plus B should turn out to be equals to 180 minus 50, which is going to be equals to 130. So A plus B will be equals to 130. Now there is one more thing that we need to use, that some of the sides have been given equal to you as well. So if BD becomes equals to FD, then the angles opposite to these two sides must also be equal. So this angle is B over here, then this angle over here should also turn out to be equals to B. Same way, if you look at the triangle ADE, the sides opposite to them, equal sides, should have equal angles opposite to them. So this angle also turns out to be equals to A. So now what will this angle turn out to be equals to? This angle will turn out to be equals to 180 minus 2B. This angle will turn out to be 180 minus 2B. And what about this particular angle over here? This particular angle will also be 180 minus 2, sum of interior angles of a triangle. And now this is the angle that we are looking at. So these three angles, 180 minus 2B, 180 minus 2A, and this particular angle forms a linear pair. So the sum should be equals to 180. So from 180, if I subtract the sum of these two angles, then what am I going to get? I'm going to get the leftover angle which is present over here, and that's the angle that we are looking at. So 180 minus of 180 minus 2B plus of 180 minus 2A. This should be the angle that we are looking at. Let's try and understand what is the values that we are getting inside the bracket. This is going to become 360 minus of 2B minus of 2A. If you open the bracket further, you are going to get minus of 180 plus of 2B plus of 2A. Now, if you look at this, A plus B is something which is 130. So 2A plus 2B will turn out to be equals to 260. So minus 180 plus of 260 is the angle that we are looking at, and that is going to be equals to 80. So your desired angle turns out to be equals to 80.